It was one of those nights when silence feels heavy. Even the usual city noise seemed to hold its breath. Around midnight, I sank into my chair, the only company being the glow of my computer screen. Nothing moved. Just as I settled into a dreary stupor, the doorbell rang sharply, a sound foreign to this time of night. My heart raced. It was unexpected and unsettling. Who had visited this ungodly hour in silence? Gathering courage, I peered through the peephole. The hallway was empty, devoid of any figure or movement. Returning to my seat, the silence was louder than ever. An uncanny quietness echoed around me. Just then, the doorbell rang again, more insistent this time, each chime quickening my pulse. Nervously, I opened the door a crack, straining against an invisible boundary of trust and fear. Nothing but a draft greeted me, yet the sense of being watched pressed heavily on my shoulders. Closing the door, I tried to dismiss it as a prank, but I knew the night held more than shadows. Hours dragged by, each tick of the clock mocking me, taunting with a calm that I couldn't embrace. At dawn, sleep slipped into my bones. Whispers of the night's eerie encounter entwined in restless dreams. When I awoke, a cold sweat lingered, yet the memory of the doorbell felt distant and surreal. But there, on the threshold, lay a note, a stark reminder that shadows hide more than darkness. The note read, "We will return tonight." My spine tingled, knowing the night would draw its curtain again.